Oh, there you are, Perry. There you are, Perry.
How does it feel, Perry the Platypus? Yeah, I thought so.
Wait, you can understand him?
Oh, Perry the Platypus, I'm so glad you're here to see this.
You must be here to see Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Whoops, incoming message.
Well, hello, Perry the Platypus. Sorry I couldn't be there to capture you personally.
Well, yeah, I just thought we had a moment.
A moment. Yeah, I know. What a dip, right?